This is what I'm using on her. It's a Chantecaille, sorry about the sticker on it. I'll put this up where you can see it. It's just a creme luminizer. A great place to test a highlighter is on this lip. And what you want to see is beautiful shine that when you turn away from the light doesn't give you a weird colour. So what I'll do, like sometimes on the skin, on the tan part, I'll get my highlighter. This is really important because you need a highlight with light on it, but you've got to make sure whenever you add sheen to somebody, this happened to me actually only yesterday. So there's the highlight there on her skin, but when she turns her skin away, I can't see the colour. Sorry, I'm dressing you up inside out. I'll show you what happens if you put the wrong colour highlight on. So let's say I use a colour that's in the light. You go, oh, that's, beautiful. But when you turn that sucker away, I know, can you see that on camera, Jess? It goes like light and then take it away, it goes dark. You just see discoloration. It's not her skin tone. Okay, so I've just got that Chantecaille highlighter, only highlighting with light on, and I'm only going to do the last third of that brow. Remember, ladies, if you highlight that whole brow bone, you'll get heavy, you'll get this. It just makes them big. And if you use something shimmery or white, even white, the skin goes scaly, like fish scales. White is a very dangerous colour, I think, to use as a highlighter on the skin. So I'm just going to come in here, give her that really nice, just keep it, I just don't want to go lower than that bone. It's just that thing of where you turn, you just want the light to catch it. Now remember, again, I'm referring to a lesson I've already done. Highlighting and contouring, if you do it really subtly, what's amazing when you do, if in doubt, go more subtle than you think because it moves with light, and that's what true contouring and highlighting should look like. Meaning in natural light, you should have this soft, beautiful glow like we're getting here. Okay, it's still that Chantecaille. I love this one because it's not glittery. I don't like highlights that have got glitter in them. But when you go into sunlight, that will go so highlighted. We'll photograph that later. That will just go boom in the light. But when she goes into a dark spot, it will soften. But if she goes into a dim light with spotlight, it will light up again. And same with contouring. Shadows will go darker according to the light, and that's where makeup is magic. Not just doing one face that looks the same wherever you go. This is another really good highlight. I never know how to say this brand. Ciaté, thank you. I'm just going to turn you right there and tilt your head back. I haven't done the skin yet, but I will. I just want to show you the shine. But I only ever highlight with light on it. You can't do it in the dark. Okay, because you should only see when the light hits it. It's got a tiny little bit of a glitter to it. And just don't bring it too far around here, okay? If you bring it too far around, you get this like blowout on the camera. This goes a bit too bright.